Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with one more new recipe. Today's recipe is Hariyali Chicken Kebab, which is known as green chicken kebab. It's very easy to prepare and hope you all will love it. So let's get started. I have used 3 cups of cornflour, which is also called cornstarch. In this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons coriander paste and ginger garlic paste. One tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, one tablespoon cumin powder, one tablespoon of chicken tandoori masala, about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, one tablespoon of tasting sugar, salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of green food pigment, 4 tablespoon lemon juice, now add water little by little and prepare a masala for marination. Here I have used 1500 grams of chicken. Now add pieces one by one in your masala. Now mix it together until the masala is well touched with the chicken. You should marinate it for about 1 hour. For frying I have used 1 liter oil. Now deep fry the chicken pieces one by one. Deep fry doesn't mean that the flame should be high. Keep it on medium-low flame and fry it. Be careful while frying. Fry only for 5 to 6 minutes. Fry all the chicken pieces as you did before. Your Hariyali chicken kebab is ready. Kids will love it a lot and hope you will also do it. If you do it, go down and hit the bell icon. If you liked our recipe, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.